Okay, this week I'm actually going to stalk a possible entry in XRT. Now, you know this area has gotten killed recently after pulling back into support and then making at least a short-term target. This market is falling apart. However, there is a setup here, and it comes from taking these prior two declines, $2.17 to $1.96, and then projecting them from the recent high. So one, we actually went slightly through the projection, but then the other one is very similar at 214 versus 217. Then we have a 618 retracement, and then we also have a 1618 extension of this low to this high swing. So that's a cluster. Now, just because I have a cluster doesn't mean that this market's going to hold up. So what we do is we wait. So for a swing trade, what I wanted to look at was a 15-minute chart. And on that 15-minute chart, I need to see it, number one, continue to hold above this support between 41.72 to 42.04. And then I want to see it fire off a buy signal against this area. So the typical trigger that I use is an 834 EMA crossover to the upside, and in the process it also needs to take out a prior swing high. If it does that while holding above this zone, then I can enter the trade and then place my stop either underneath the low made prior to that buy signal or underneath the zone. Because honestly, I have no idea if this support's going to hold or not, but I want to see if we see any indications of that potentially playing out. Okay, so far I don't see it, so I'm still stalking it, but that's something that you can watch next week.